Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the US Bank mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The US Bank mobile banking app is designed to give customers secure and convenient access to their accounts anytime, anywhere. Through the app, users can check balances, view transaction history, transfer money, and pay bills directly from their phone. It also supports mobile check deposits, Zelle transfers, personalized account alerts, and secure login options like fingerprint or face recognition. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated for its intuitive layout, smooth navigation, and wide range of financial management features. Many users like the convenience of depositing checks with just a photo and the ability to monitor credit health and spending insights directly in the app. The inclusion of Zelle also makes peer-to-peer transfers quick and easy. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches with login or biometric authentication. There are also complaints about delayed transaction updates or temporary freezes during peak hours. While the app covers most everyday banking needs, a few advanced tasks may still require visiting the website or a physical branch. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the US Bank mobile banking app may be worth it if you're looking for a reliable way to manage your accounts on the go. It shines in convenience, mobile deposits, and integrated tools like Zelle. However, if you need highly advanced features or want zero glitches in your experience, you may encounter occasional frustrations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.